Hello everybody, last time we did exercise 1.1. Okay, exercise 1.1, example number 1. Okay, of example number 1 we did the first sum and the second and the third sum were same as first, that you can do on your own. Let us move to sum number 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Okay, so here we need to prove that if you are given any positive odd integer, it can be written in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. To prove this, let us take any positive odd integer a. Okay, so let a be any positive odd integer and q is some integer. Q is some other integer. Now what can you write according to Euclid's division algorithm? So according to Euclid's division algorithm, formula I taught you last time. A equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that I'll explain to you last time. The formula will be A equal to BQ plus R. Here in place of B you have to take 6. Okay, so let B equal to 6. So if we take B equal to 6, so what you will get? A equal to B, in place of B you will write 6Q plus R. Here 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. So in place of b I wrote 6. That means 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 6. Now what does this mean? The value of r lies between 0 and 6, and it can also be 0 because equal to is given here. So what will be the value of r? So r can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It cannot be equal to 6 because equal to is not given here. Okay, now put the value of r in this equation. Okay, so what you will get? First let us take value of r equal to 0. So a equal to 6q plus 0. Second, take r equal to 1. So a equal to 6q plus 1. Third, a equal to 6q plus 2. Fourth, a equal to 6q plus 3. A equal to 6q plus 4. A equal to 6q plus 5. So you have to take the value of remainder 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now as we know that any multiple of 6 is even. So here 6q is even. And if we add an even number with even number, the answer will be even. And if we add even number with odd number, the answer will be odd. So even plus even is equal to even plus odd equal to odd. So here 6q is even and 0 is even. So even plus even, this is even. 6q is even, 1 is odd, even plus odd, odd. 6q is even, 2 is even plus even, even. 6q is even and 3 is odd. So even plus odd equal to odd. Here even plus even equal to even. Here 6q is even and 5 is odd. So even plus odd equal to odd. Now in the question you are given that a is positive odd integer. So even option will be eliminated. So this will not come, this will not come and this will not come. So three options we will get: a equal to 6q plus 1, a equal to 6q plus 3 and a equal to 6q plus 5. These are the three odd integers. But a is a positive odd integer, so it cannot be. So even option will be eliminated. So it cannot be. A is equal to 6q plus 0, that is 6q. 6q plus 2 will not be possible as it is even, and 6q plus 4 is also not possible. So here we will write, but a is a positive odd integer, so it cannot be 6q, 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 4 as they are even. So a can be. So which values are possible? 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So a is a positive odd integer of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. That only we need to prove. 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Now let us move to the next sum. Okay. Any army contingent of 616 members. So in an army contingent there are how many members total? 616. Is to march behind a band of 32 members. So band is going ahead and the army is following them. Okay. In the army 616 members are there and in the band there are 32 members. They are going for the parade. If two groups are to march in the group of members and the group of band, both are to march in same number of columns, means they are making these columns, okay, and they need to march in same number of columns, then what is the maximum number of column which they can make? How many maximum columns can be made by members and the band members? So maximum number of columns in which members can march. So for this, maximum means highest common factor. So here HCF, we will find the HCF of 616 and 32. That will give us the maximum number of columns. So finding HCF, take 616 as divisor and 32 as dividend. 32 9 ja. 32 19 ja. 32 19 ja. 32 1 ja. 32. Okay, 61 minus 32 you will get 29. Bring down 6. 32 9 ja 288. The remainder will be 8. So according to division algorithm, what can you write? 616 equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. Now the divisor will come here and become the dividend. So 8 4 ja 32. So according to division algorithm, what you will write? 32 equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. Okay, in the last step, what is the divisor? So that is 8. So HCF of 616, 32 is 8. So maximum number of columns in which members can march is 8.